once again.
Alright guys, so welcome to another video. So we're gonna install that power steering reservoir with the power by the hour bracket. So for this you're gonna need a 10mm socket with a ratchet and a 10mm wrench for those two little bolts and nuts that hold the reservoir up to here. So these two big ones, they're gonna be a 7/8. Either you're gonna need a ratchet or a wrench with of course a 7/8 socket. Alright guys, so we're gonna put the bracket. So for this, it has two mounting points. They're gonna be right located on the side of the valve cover screw. So one's gonna be one right here and the other one's gonna be right here. So for this, they send two bolts. One's gonna have a thick washer and the other one's just by itself. So how am I gonna mount this? I'm gonna put the bolt first and then I'm gonna put the washer in between. So it's gonna go something like this. Okay guys, so from here it's pretty much self-explanatory. So you just put the bolts through there and then just the nut through the bottom. Alright, so there you have it. It's pretty simple. So two bolts there and the washer. I was having trouble with one of the holes. I guess it had dirt in there, so I just cleaned it up and put the bolt in there. So pretty simple, looks good, other than my dirty engine bay. So catch you on the next one, guys.